If you flip houses in South Jersey, this one will be perfect for you. The investor class, I'm in Sicklerville, New Jersey, and the address is going to be 84 Eastmont Lane, and this is Eden Hollow. I'm Joe Wiessner. I've been selling South Jersey since 2002. Let's check this one out. It's got 3 beds, 1 bath, and it's gonna need work, but this is what the investors are looking for. An established neighborhood where there's always turnover, and inventory here sells at a certain price that needs some renovation, like this one's going to need, and you could sell it at a much bigger price on the other side. It's the perfect opportunity for a South Jersey investor. This is a classic no-frills rancher. It's about 1,006 square feet. It's gonna need renovation, it's gonna need some exterior work. The roof on this one is from about 2016, which makes it about 10. The HVAC system is not that old, and it's natural gas heat. And the other thing that's really cool about this neighborhood is that all the utilities, the electric, are underground. Very nice. You got the vaulted ceilings, spacious living room, comfortably have a nice big screen TV there, good. Eat-in kitchen, table for 4, no problem. Walk out to your side yard. Got a huge, looks like a nice oak tree in the back, plenty of shade that way. Got your natural gas, and then you got your underground utilities. Kitchen looks like it could be from 1973, that's when the house was built, but utilitarian but functional. We have the HVAC system, washer and dryer, and then you have a 1-car garage to the left. The HVAC system installed approximately 2011, hot water heater, only 2 years old. Bedroom number 3, low windows. Bedroom number 2, plenty of closet space. You have a full bath. Gonna need a little bit of upgrade that way, but no problem for the investor class. And you got bedroom number 3. Looks out to the backyard. Double banked closets on the master makes it even more accommodating for your stuff. So here's the only thing that matters to the investor is what is the margin. These houses, just like this one, the 1-car version, they sell for right around $330,000. The 2-car versions are selling anywhere from $350 to $355 right now in this current market. So if you could pick this one up at the list price or thereabouts, and who knows, maybe it goes up a little bit higher because the competition could be strong for the investor market. I mean, Eden Hollow is a tried and true investor dream as far as being able to turn properties. You do it repeatedly and keep going with it. This market is very, very forgiving, that way, which is nice for the investors. And it keeps the community really, really tight and nice as well. This one is 3 beds, 1 bath, natural gas, heat, underground electric. It's gonna need some work, but it's not a huge square footage. This could be the perfect opportunity for you. I'm Joe Wiessner. I've been selling South Jersey since 2002. Thank you for watching.